Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benelo here with a short video discussing what will be going on in Unit 3. Okay, first of all, the office hour chat schedule for the week is as follows. Monday, which will be January 18th, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, I will be holding office hours as usual at the same time between 6:30 and 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, which will be January 19th, we will be holding chat number 3 at our usual time. Check the classroom for details. Okay, Unit 2 due dates. Remember, Unit 2 is very important because of Unit 2 discussion board. Tuesday, which will be January 19th, you're going to have two important things due. First of all, on January 19th, you will have Unit 2 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on Tuesday, January 19th, you will have Unit 2 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, my dear students, the responses is where you respond to two of your classmates. And remember, don't just leave it at great job, Dana. You really hit all the points you needed to in the discussion board. I enjoyed reading your work. Can't wait to read more from you. Well, that's amazing and supportive. I want you to go beyond that and tailor your post to your classmates' post. Also, remember to answer the questions that you see in the directions for this assignment. Remember, I have posted 3 short videos of me explaining Unit 2 discussion board. And I have posted those within announcements. I've posted the links to the videos as well as the PowerPoint presentation within Unit 2 discussion board. So check all that information out. And of course, Tuesday, in chat number 3, I will be going over Unit 2 discussion board one last time. Okay, so that is the Unit 2 due dates. Unit 3 due dates. You have Friday, which will be January 22nd. You have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, January 26th, you will have Unit 3 and Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, we have a busy week coming up. If you have absolutely any questions, please let me know and get that Unit 2 DB in. Have a great week, everybody.